Okay, so I haven't printed a marble machine for a little while, so I printed this one. I'll put in a description um, where you can download these files and put them together. Um, the person who designed this did a really good job. They included three of these different styles. They included this one here, which goes like this, of course, and you'll see it in a second. Or you can use this one, which is I'm going to push this a little forward. So it kind of goes like this, and then it drops in there. As a matter of fact, here, I'm going to show you how it does that. And unfortunately, it doesn't go through because it's just a slightly too big diameter for this little metal balls. So anyway, and then it also comes with when you print it, you also get this piece, which would go here like that. Okay, and whoever designed this did a great job because they made these little square connectors where this piece here then connects like that. So this would be basically in its place over here. Okay, I'm going to turn it on so you can see what it does. And before I do that, I'm going to tilt it this way so you can see this a little bit better. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see how this feeds this little spiral thing. There we go. And as you can see, these bearing balls, or whatever we would call them, they basically ride up and up and up until they end up here, where they drop through this piece, and they go on this little ramp and end up here, and then in here they'll go like that. So let's go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, they go nicely like that. Unfortunately, when there is more balls, sometimes it jams this place up here, and sometimes they actually stay over here. So I don't know if that's because my table is not level or something, but anyway, it works and it's beautiful. And I hope that you print it yourself and have some fun with it like I do. I'm using 7.5 millimeter, I think. Let me turn this off. I'm going to measure. I forgot now exactly how many millimeters balls I'm using. So let's turn this on, zero it out. 7.5. So these are 7.5 millimeters. 7.47, 7.5 millimeters, and I think it probably needs a 7 millimeter rather than 7.5 millimeter. So if you order these things, get them in 7 or 7.5 millimeters. I'm sorry, 7 millimeters or 6.8 millimeters or something like that, and in inches. I mean. The 7.5 millimeter inches is 0.2945, so basically 0.3 inches, a third of an inch almost. And you want it probably a little smaller. Let me go back to the millimeters. And you probably want, so that's almost 7 millimeters, 7 millimeters. You want 0.27 in inches. Okay, so that's good there. Otherwise than that, I don't have anything else to show you on it, except a little information. This here is a lid Underneath is, of course, a switch and two batteries, two AA batteries. This piece here goes over here. It gets to be plugged into this top. As you can see, there's three of these square pieces that connect to this piece here. Okay, the two of them connects to the bottom piece. The top one to this little ramp. Okay, and then there's another one you can print, which is a square, and it works pretty good also, but I didn't print it because I didn't know at first. I didn't know that this piece, when I printed it, that it is or this one or that one. It's not, because they came with three different designs. So you'll have a fun with it, just like I did, and show it to people after you make it, and have a great day.